Guys, I'm making a fidget spinner video again. This is my little brother. I got a new one because the other one got taken. Here it is. Max, maybe why don't you get yours?
We'll try and find it.
Okay, so here it is. I'm trying to charge my phone right now, so it's kind of hard. Here, I'll get it out of the case right now. Just a second. Okay, got it. And this is my fidget spinner. We are going to be spinning it and seeing how long it spins. Okay? So,
Sorry, guys, can't find it.
okay, counting how long this spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, I got this fidget spinner like about 4 days ago.
You might ask why there's white stuff in the bearings. That's just tissue paper. It's spinned for 44 seconds. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53.
It spins for
54,
1
55,
minute and 30 seconds already.
Slowing down, Devin.
Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, let's see. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Just a second. 37. Max, stop doing that. Three minutes. Three minutes and 3 seconds. 4 minutes 5 minutes 6 minutes 7 2 minutes 8 2 minutes 9 3 minutes 10 3 minutes 11 3 minutes 12 13 14 15 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and the extra time that I took was about like 30 seconds just for the intro. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
And we will be getting new fidget spinners.
What?
See ya.
What do you mean?
Bye.
Trouble.